Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of logic. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2 question number 2. Let P and Q be the following propositions. P, fail grade can be given. Q, students score more than 50% mark. Consider this statement. Fail grade cannot be given when student scores more than 50% mark. Which one of the following is the correct representation of the above statement in propositional logic? And 4 options are given. How can we represent implication in sentence? Suppose we have X implies Y. How can we represent X implies Y? So if X, then Y. If X, Y, X only if Y, Y if X, Y when X, Y unless negation X, X implies Y. Just mark here Y when X. So that we can represent as X implies Y. So now just read this sentence. Fail grade cannot be given when student scores more than 50% mark. So this is our X, this is our Y, right? What is X? Students score more than 50% mark. That is our Q. So it will be Q implies. And what is Y? Fail grade cannot be given. Here P equals to fail grade can be given. Fail grade cannot be given. That will be negation of P. So if student scores more than 50% mark, then fail grade cannot be given. Okay. So it's Q implies negation P. It's present in option A. That's why answer will be option A. This question is easy. If you know X implies Y, we can write as Y when X. I already discussed propositional logic during lecture. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.